Good afternoon. I'm super excited to walk you guys through a flow that I built that enables event users using our messaging app to trigger out invitations for their events. This can be used for both free and paid events. As part of this, I've added a button to the attendee layout that triggers my flow. It's actually a screen flow. It's called Send Invite via SMS. Once you click this button, it's going to prompt the user to enter the mobile phone number and event item. Both the phone number and event item are required for that invitation to trigger correctly. As part of the invitation, we're going to ask the end user if they would like to attend the event. If they respond 1, we're going to automatically update that attendee record to registered, and we'll send them a follow-up text that includes their attendee link that they can use to check in for that event. So let's show you how that works. So enter my phone number, 571-239-2803. We will select a free ticket, and then we'll go through paid ticket next. So we'll click next. My invite has been successfully sent. I can click back to navigate to the attendee record. You'll see the attendee status went from to invite to invited, and in real time, I now receive this text message. So you have been invited to attend Adam's SMS test event. Respond 1 if you like to attend. Once I respond 1, that's going to automatically set my registration status to registered. And it's also going to shoot me a follow-up text that includes my attendee link that I can use day of event to check in. So we'll enter 1. Give it a second. Let's refresh. You can see the registration status has been set to registered. I've also received this text in real time. So thank you for registering for the following event. Please find your attendee link below, which includes event details as well as your QR code for event check-in. Please note this is using our SMS template, which is completely customizable. So this text can be modified. The link that's included can be modified too. So I click into that. Let's actually open up details on the event. And then it's going to give me that QR code for check-in. So that's for a free event. Now I'll show you how it works for a paid event. So let's go back to my event. We'll go in and create a new attendee. And then again, I'm going to leave event item and phone empty. So, and then we'll keep registration status to invite. Actually, let's show you what it looks like if we've already have phone number. So adding phone, I'm going to leave event item blank. So this time we're going to select a paid event item. So once that saves, we're going to click this to initiate the flow again. And this time it already has my phone number, so it's not asking for a phone, but it's asking me to select the event item. If I were to already have the event item assigned on that attendee, it would skip this screen and automatically send the text message. So we'll do pay ticket this time. All right, let's navigate back to the attendee. And you can see the status has moved to invited, and I have received that text message. So if you've been invited to attend Adam's SMS test event, respond 1 if you'd like to attend. So very similar to the free event, but now with the paid event, once I respond 1, it's not going to mark me registered yet. What it's going to do is automatically create that sales document in that line item. Once it creates that sales document in the line item, it's going to shoot me a text including my document link to complete the registration process. Once I pay for this event, it will then mark my attendee registered and then send me the attendee link, which I can use to check in, but not until I actually use the document link to pay for this event. So let's respond 1 and give a moment to update. Let's refresh. So I'm still in invited status, but you can see now I got this second text message. Thank you for registering for the following event. To pay for this event and complete the registration process, please click the link below. That's going to include my document link. Once payment has been completed, you will receive a confirmation email and text message, including your attendee link, which will include event details and a QR code for event check-in. So not until I actually pay for this event will I move to registered. So let's open up that document link. Also, if I click back to that attendee, you can see there's now this invoice. So if I click into that invoice, there's a line item, it's unpaid, I have my balance of $1, so now I can go in and actually pay that using that document link. Let's go in and pay. Oops, I'll use so. Let me try that again. Use a test card. All right, so I authorize, and then let's pay that $1. Awesome. I've paid. That invoice is complete. We'll give it a second for the automation to kick in. Let's refresh that page. You can see that status of the sales invoice or the sales document is now completed. The payment status is paid. Let's go back to the attendee record and refresh. You can see they're now registered. And last but not least, if I go back to my text messages, I received that final text message. Thank you for registering for the following event. Please find your attendee link below, which I can use to access the QR code for event check-in. If I click into that link, that's going to open up that attendee link with that QR code. Thank you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.